Do you want to avoid public transport during COVID-19 pandemic situation? Book a cab in a time-consuming way to reach your destination faster in a safe and comfortable manner. But where to avail prompt yellow cab service at affordable fare? Contact Texas Yellow Cab and Checker Taxi Service. It is a leading yellow cab service provider near my location, famous for offering 24/7 prompt, door-to-door transportation at fair prices. All the cabs of this company are fully air-conditioned, clean and sanitized after every ride. They have a team of highly trained, professional drivers who are well known for polite and friendly behavior. They always choose the best shortcut routes to reach passengers' destination on time. They can expertly navigate through traffic even in rush office hour. So, why wait? Book your ride now by dialing 817-881-6863 or send an email at contact@bigtexascabs.com. For more details, visit https://bigtexascabs.com/.